Hi, this is Paul with your Bold Profits Daily. Today, I want to tell you about a phenomenal opportunity and one that I believe is still flying underneath the radar, and so no one is really talking about it. Now, I've mentioned it to you before, and I've told you to invest in it. However, I'm going to tell you today why, if you don't own it already, now is the time to get in, because I believe this sector, which is still flying underneath the radar, can really take off, and it can really make you some incredible amounts of money. So if you listened to our market talk from yesterday, you heard me talk about some incredible things that are going on in the industrial manufacturing part of our economy. For example, manufacturing employment is now up for 18 months straight, 274,000 manufacturing jobs. And here's why this is a big deal. You see, manufacturing employment peak lasted 1979. That is 39 years ago. It was a long, long time ago. And it hit its absolute low in 2010. So at the peak, we had 19.6 million manufacturing jobs. And at the very low in 2010, we had 11.5 million. And I can tell you from studying economic history, market history, that our country, the United States, we do well when manufacturing is doing well. We do well when we are making things and where our industrial economy is vibrant and we are doing things. And when you think about it, it all makes sense. There is no other sector within our economy that really can fuse and take all of the mega trends that I tell you about: artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D printing, machine vision, 5G, even blockchain. Put it all together. Only industrials can do that. And this is why I believe we are going to see an industrial renaissance, a manufacturing boom happen in this country. And you should get in now, or else you're going to miss out. Now, full disclosure, I did tell you to buy this in October of 2008, and I got caught up in that incredible sell-off. So if you bought in then, you're just back to even. But I told you to buy in again in January 18th, 2019. And if you bought in then, you're up 11%. However, I'm going to tell you that you should buy in once again. I'm going to reiterate that you should buy the Industrials ETF, VIS, for big money gains in 2019 and beyond, because this sector really can take all the different things that are going on, all the megatrends, and make enormous value out of it. So that's my recommendation for you this week. Buy the Industrials ETF, VIS, and buy in now for big money. So I'll have another Bold Profits Daily for you next week. Until then, this is Paul saying bye.